Hello, Jim. Tech Buzz, new video. And today I've got the newbie Bluetooth headset, the M50, with Bluetooth 5.2 wireless, CVC 8.0, dual built-in mic, dual ENC noise cancelling built-in mic. On the side, we've got hi-fi stereo sound, comes with more than 24 hours talk time, CVC 8.0, and dual ENC noise cancelling mic built in. And that's basically it on the box. So let's check out the product itself, and we've taken off the tabs. So first off, you get a nice travel case, which is nice, with the newbie branding on the front and nothing on the back. So you've got your booklets then inside. That's it, and let's have a look. Open up and you get the presentation like so. So this is ideal for drivers and stuff like that. If you want to work from home, you can have that single earpiece. So on the left, you've got some extra covers there, and inside we have got a small USB-A to USB-C cable, which is called C, USB-C. So here is the headset itself. Looks really neat indeed. Newbie branding there. You have some buttons here, and you've got another button on the bottom there, and you can see here up top how it works. So here's the earpiece itself, and this spins, this moves up and down, so all pretty nice indeed. So let's give it a quick power on. It's got a USB-C port here in the bottom for charging, and it's got this metal finish here on the end, which is really nice. And it looks premium indeed. And you've also got another button here, so this is probably for muting, but we'll check that out in the full review. And we'll just see if there's any power or LEDs visible there on powering up, and there is an LED light there. So we're going to take it away and come back with a full review, so stay tuned after the break for that. Hello, Jim Tech Buzz, and we're back with the newbie M50 Bluetooth headset. And just to show you, we are connected to our phone. You can see up on top M50 there. So it's a pretty multifunctional headset, believe it or not, and you can use it for just more than your calls. You can connect it to devices. This guy spins here like so you get a nice comfortable fit, and it's pretty flexible there. And you've got your buttons here, which are raised, and you can use these for your music controls as well. You've play and pause. You have another button here too, and you've got a mic mute button here, and also this will act as your voice assistant activation as well. So just to show you, we are connected. You just long press this bottom button here for your Siri and voice assistant here like so, and that'll do that. And play and pause is this here. As you can see here, it's playing and pause. You've got your volume control too, but you can't, it doesn't actually pop up on the device, but you can skip and reverse tracks. So we're just going to press play, and we're going to skip a track. You can skip and reverse tracks, which is handy. I'm just going to turn the volume up here so you might be able to hear it. And we're going to unmute. And from here, you have these two buttons here. And a short press is volume up, and a long press is to skip to the next song. And a short press is volume down and skip the previous song. So that's button 1 and 2 there. It fits really comfortable as well. And you've got 24 hours talk time, you've got 40 and 40 standby time. And it's very light as well, and you've got Bluetooth 5.2. And I haven't had any breakups for it so far. You can travel up to 65 feet from your device, but remember it can connect to 2 devices, which is pretty handy indeed. And that's what I like about it, and it's really, really neat and easy to use. So on your volume control, it's a short press either side, higher and lower. So you can actually hear the music coming through it there. And if I just tap it once, you can hear the volume going down each time. And a long press then skip to the next song. And that's really about it. It's a nice, easy headset to use and works really well. The fact of the matter is you can connect the two devices at once is really good in my opinion. So you can connect to your phone or your laptop, or if you're connected to your vehicle, and you connect your phone as well at the same time. So everything is all good to go there. And you have decent battery life as well. And you've got your USB-C charging there too, which is pretty good. So overall, you've got 24 hours continuous time, 60 days standby, you have 2 hours charging time, which isn't bad. And you have a 20-hour music listening experience with this as well. And the music sounds pretty okay in it for one side, you know, when you come to think about it. So it's pretty good. It's a multifunctional headset. It can be used in many instances and not just for taking phone calls on the go, which again are easily controllable by these buttons here. You've got your mute switch here, and that's really about it. So what we'll do is we'll drop a link below to where you pick it up, and you can check out the price and all that kind of stuff. You've got your clear voice capture as well, 8.0, and as I said, conversations are pretty good and clear, and that's what I've got from my testing on this device. So you can use it for driving, you can use it for listening to music at home, you can use it for working at home, you could use it in a warehouse, you can use it as an officer, you can use it for travelling. It's pretty multifunctional, and it's a pretty nice, affordable, decent looking headset as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.